Hello everyone, this is Ahmed Bakir, Regional Network Engineer from Ruijie Networks. In today's video, we will configure a complete SD-WAN solution and connect a head office IP PBX with branch IP phone. So by the end of this video, your branch phones will be fully registered to the HQ PBX over SD-WAN. I have two projects here, HQ and branch. So if you go to HQ, we can see that I have EG1510XS MBS 3300 switch and Wi-Fi 7 RAP 73 Pro. In the branch, I have EG1510XS and MBS 5300 switch. So let's first establish our SD-WAN, but before establishing SD-WAN, let's configure our VoIP VLAN. So from network-wide, network, we can add here a VoIP network. Service description, you can choose your own description. I will choose VoIP. VLAN, I will select VLAN 10. And then you can keep the IP address by default, or you can change. I will change to 10.10.10.1. And then next, we need to select the VoIP gateway port. So I will select the switch. And then the VoIP gateway port is in port 1, and the VoIP gateway will be 10.10.10.254. And then next, now we need to select the IP phone. I have only one IP phone in the HQ, so I will select port 2, then next, then apply. Okay, it's done now, so let's check our network. Configured VLAN 10. So we need now to check the branch location. We need to add a VoIP network, and the name is the VoIP, and we can set it as a VLAN 10. We can keep the same IP 10.10.10.1 and we can change it. However, I will change it to 10.10.21. DHCP pool should be 10.10.22 to 10.10.20.254. Because in the branch we have a core switch, so that's why assign IP from, we can assign from the core switch, or we can assign from the gateway. I will go with the gateway. Then next, we don't have any VoIP gateway here in the branch, so I will not select. I will remove this. Then next, I have only one IP phone connected in port 1, and then next, apply, and that's it. Now done. Let's check our network. It's configured. Okay, so let's configure the SD-WAN. We will go to service and then any link. Let's create our first SD-WAN group. I will name it Ruijie, and then okay. You can go with hub spoke, mesh, or custom. I will go with mesh. Then next, select your projects, HQ and branch. Then next, interesting traffic here, we have the default VLAN for both the HQ and branch are the same, 192.168.110.0/24. However, for the VoIP, at the HQ we have 10.10.10.0/24, and in the branch we have 10.10.20.0/24. Let's create. Virtual subnet mapping here is just simply mapping the default VLAN, which are the same, to a different subnet. For example, the branch will be 10.0.1.0/24 and HQ will be 10.0.0.0/24. Then okay, creating SD-WAN, and done. Let's view monitoring dashboard, diagram view. It's still connecting, and it's connected. Link status is normal. Now let's go back to home And then in the HQ, let's log into our local router. I'm currently connected to the HQ locally, so I will go to 192.168.110.1. Let's log in. Gateway, scroll down, diagnostics, network tools. Let's do a test. Let's ping 10.10.20.1, the branch office easy gateway, and then start. And it's pinging. Okay, that's perfect. Let's go back to the cloud HQ and then clients. We can see here the IP phone at the HQ is 10.10.10.3. So let's log in 10.10.10.3, then the username and password. Here we go. Let's go back to the branch location, and we can see the phone here is 10.10.20.2. So let me log in 10.10.20.2. And here we go, username and the password. Okay, new password, confirm. And here we go. It's not yet registered, so let me log into the PBX 10.10.10.254. Here we go. Then the username is admin and the password. Login. Enter new username, be admin1, then new password, confirm, and the email, and then next. Well, we will select the correct time zone. We can simply select Riyadh, and then next. I will use my own password for the SEP, and also for the wave, and then next. We will not use any trunks or routes. Next, save, and reloading. Okay, it's done. Okay, so let's log in with the new username and password. Here we go. We go to extension. We don't have any registered phone yet. This is the local phone. So we can edit account 1 and we can activate it. Account name, it will be 1000 as an extension. And the server is 10.10.10.254. 1000, and the password. And that's it. Save, apply. Okay, account status, not yet registered to the PBX. Here we go, it's registered. Let me go to the branch IP phone and do the same. Edit, account active, 1001, 10.10.10.254, 1001, 1001, and the password. Save, apply. Let's check. Not yet registered. And it's registered. So both phones are registered. So let's check here on the PBX extension. Here we go. 1000 is registered at the HQ with 10.10.10.3, and 1001 is registered at the branch with 10.10.20.2. One last thing I want to do here, we need to register a soft phone at the extension 1002. Actually, I will use a wave application for that soft phone. Here is the PPX IP with the port number extension 1002, and this is the password, and then login. So now I'm logged in. Let's have a phone call. We will call extension 1000 at the HQ, so 1000. Here we go. Let me check. Now you can see 1002 is in use and ringing to 1000. And that's it. Now your branch phones are registered and successfully connected to the HQ PPX over the Ruijie SD-WAN. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on our next video.